I am Lojit Kumar from 9th grade. I am studying in Akash Educational Institution. I am standing in front of you to say about Chandrayaan program. The Indian space program was started by the ISRO. With the establishment the Indian space community in 1962. Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission of the Chandrayaan program. A series of the lunar explorations and the mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. The lunar rover named Vikrama and the lunar rover named Pragyan. Similar to those abroad, Chandrayaan 2 2019, Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission of the Chandrayaan program. Chandrayaan 3 is started in 14 July 2023. It launched in 23 August 2023. Its location Andhra Pradesh Satish Dhawan Space Center. Thank you this giving opportunity, especially Akash Educational Institution, Sri Balaji Nayak sir.